I'm here in the car. I take my iPhone and I place it right where the camera's at. And it's about a foot away from the window. And what happens? That's what happens. It overheats. Now the GoPro is the same area. And you think the GoPro is going to overheat if I keep it there for such a certain amount of time? Yes. And why would that be? Well, it's like 60 degrees. The sun's beating down on the camera behind a magnified glass that is about at least a 1/4 inch thick, called the windshield. And it generates a lot of heat. It doesn't matter if it's a camera, I was saying, it doesn't matter if it's a camera, an action camera, smartphone. And GoPro did this a couple of times. 20 seconds, it just basically locked up. Now, that is amazing with GoPro. You never know with the GoPro. Don't get me wrong. I love my GoPro. Right now, I'm happy using my GoPro, that I don't need to go for the newest model today. I'm going to hold off. I'm going to wait. And when Costco has their sale, I'm going to purchase the GoPro Hero 11. And that means it's going to be down the road. But for you, oh, you want it right away. Well, I did make my purchase for a DJI Osmo Action 3. It's 3 years later, not a year later. It's 3 years later. For me, that is the right time for me to update the camera. And the updates, give you a nice example. When we were driving down south and driving back, I went to Buc-ee's and I grabbed my camera and I was shooting video, and I was all over the place. All my video was like that. And I said, you know, I think I'm going to go purchase that GoPro Hero 10 for the reason of it's got horizon level. And everything I would shoot on an angle would be straight and level. And that's why I purchased the Hero 10. I purchased it for the horizon level. Otherwise, I would have stuck with the Hero 8. I would have been out the 9, out the 10, and out the 11. I would have still been with the 8. I had the DJI, it had the front-facing screen. That was good enough for me. Well, now I went with the Hero 10 also because the front screen stayed on with the back screen. And I didn't have to worry about alternating the screen like DJI has. So one camera has its ups and downs. With DJI, it's funny. You could be on standby and it won't go to the front screen the next time you turn it on after a minute. It's supposed to have a 5-minute reset. Man, I tell you. Before the camera starts to overheat, I think I said my piece. I hope this video may find something, a little of interest out there, may help somebody. Remember, it may feel 60, 50, 40 degrees, but behind the windshield to a GoPro, it's not. On that note, have a great day.